Hi, I'm Alex Konoplasty. I'm the managing partner at Flashpoint. Why Flashpoint? We're a unique tech investment asset management firm originating out of Eastern Europe and offering a set of complementary financing strategies: venture capital, venture debt, and secondary, servicing our portfolio companies throughout their lifetime. We're a dedicated team of professionals with private equity and investment banking background, focused on high-growing tech and backing talented entrepreneurs doing business internationally. We can boast of strong historical performance record thanks to our dedicated data-driven approach. Flashpoint has a significant skin in the game in our business, maintaining at least a 5% stake across our funds, while Flashpoint shareholders are contributing about 20% of total assets under management. Our goal is to become one of the leading VCs out of Eastern Europe. Flashpoint is a partnership of like-minded people driven by the same vision. We're a team of about 30 investment professionals spread across 6 countries and about 20 scouts in Europe and Israel. We have 3 investment teams dedicated to our strategies, supported by a shared team of operations professionals. We manage a portfolio of about 40 companies doing business in the US and globally, with about 2,500 employees. In the last couple of years, investing venture capital, venture debt, and secondary, we have tripled our assets under management, and we plan to exceed $1 billion in the next years to come. Key Flashpoint shareholders have a long history together and continue participating in our business either through the advisory board or investment committees. To date, over 120 investors all over the world have trusted us. Flashpoint was launched in 2012 as a VC fund. Now we manage 6 funds across 3 products. We do both equity and venture debt. We have supported over 50 portfolio companies and made about 80 follow-on investments into them. Our business requires us to be both international and local, hence our presence across Europe and Israel.
Hi, my name is Michael Selentai, and together with Alex, we have started Flashpoint over 10 years ago. When we started, the CE and Israeli tech markets have been a fraction of what they are today. Now, emerging Europe and Israeli ecosystem are attracting significant attention. Companies with CE founders are raising huge rounds and are moving their headquarters to Western Europe and the USA. In 2021 alone, these companies have attracted over $4 billion of capital, which is a 10-fold increase compared to the same number 5 years ago. Capital invested in Israel has grown 5 times over the last 5 years, transforming the startup nation into a real scale-up hub. Flashpoint has 3 main products. The first one is venture capital. This is our original product and is aimed at companies with $1 to $3 million of revenues that have a proven product market fit. This capital gives them an opportunity to scale. The second one is venture debt. This is aimed at companies with $3 to $10 million in annual recurring revenues and provides them with a layer of leverage on top of an equity injection raised from other VC players in the ecosystem. The third one is a secondary fund. This is aimed at companies with over 10 million in annual revenues and gives existing investors and founders in these successful companies intermediate liquidity before an eventual exit. We also have 2 additional products. One is an alumni seed fund, which we launched last year, and the second one is co-investing into the most successful portfolio companies on the venture capital side.
Hi, my name is Igor Belus, and I'm managing partner in Flashpoint. In Flashpoint, we have developed best practices in our operations and reporting. Our platform is capable of servicing billions of assets under management. We communicate with our LPs through our live events twice a year, and we constantly improve exchange of information with our LPs. As you heard from my partners before, Flashpoint is a data-driven organization when it comes to investments, from sourcing to tracking the performance. We constantly improve the level of transparency and comfort for our LPs. We continue educating them and informing on a weekly basis with our Flashpoint 5 product, which they find quite interesting. IT system, which is used for front and back office, is very useful and facilitates life on a day-to-day basis for general partners. Finally, we continue expanding our core LP base, which is predominantly family offices and high-net-worth individuals, aiming to have hundreds of investors in the future. We are FCA-regulated organization since February 2022. This is important as we tap institutional money from multiple sources. Our goals are quite ambitious as well, as we plan to reach 1 billion in assets under management in 2023, aiming to increase to 3 billion in 2025. We look forward to speaking to you soon and provide you with our performance information in the future. So stay in touch and see you soon.